Hello students, this is the third part of our chapter comparing quantities. In this part, we will see one more method of comparing two quantities, that is percentage. After that, we will see how to convert fractional number to percentage, converting decimal to percentage, converting percentage to fraction or decimals. And we will also solve exercise 8.2 from NCERT. So first, let us understand what is percentage. Percent. The word percent is derived from a Latin word percentum. Latin word percentum. Percentum means per 100. It means every 100 out of 100. You know the symbol of percentage is this. So if I write 1%, then what does it mean? It means 1 out of 100. Or we can write it as 1 divided by 100. In the same way, 20% means 20 out of 100, which can be written as 20 divided by 100. Or 100% means 100 out of 100. So it can be written as 100 divided by 100. So I hope it is clear what is the meaning of percent. Percent means that how much obtained out of 100. If I tell you, you scored 90% marks, 90% marks in your mathematics test, then what does it mean? It means that you can write 90% equals to 90 by 100. So it means if the test is of total 100 marks, then you score 90 marks. You score 90 marks out of 100. So this is the meaning of percentage. Now we will see how to convert fractional number to percentage, converting decimal to percentage and percentage to fraction or decimals. Now let us see conversion of fractional number to percentage. Whenever you have to convert a given fraction to percentage, then what you do? You just multiply the given fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign. For example, suppose we have given a fraction 1 by 5 and we have to convert this fraction into percentage. Then what we can write? 1 by 5 can be written as 1 by 5, multiply it by 100 and put the percentage sign. Now let us simplify it. Then you know 5 20 times 100. So it is equals to 20%. It means the fraction 1 by 5 is equivalent to 20%. Let us see one more example. Suppose we have to convert the fraction 3 by 5 to percentage. Then what we do? We can write 3 by 5 as 3 by 5, multiply it by 100 and put the percentage sign. Now simplify it. 5 20 times 100, 20 into 3, 60. It means 3 by 5 is equivalent to 60%. So this is the method of converting fractional number to percentage. You just have to multiply the given fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign. Now let us see method of converting decimal to percentage. So whenever you have to convert a given decimal to percentage, then what you do? You just multiply the decimal by 100 and put the percentage sign. For example, if we have given a decimal 0.65 and we have to convert it into percentage, then we can write 0.65 as 0.65, multiply it by 100 and put the percentage sign. Then you know 0.65 into 100 equals to 65 and then the percentage sign. It means the decimal 0.65 is equivalent to 65%. So you just have to multiply the given decimal by 100 and put the percentage sign. Let us suppose one more example, 0.09. So it can be written as 0.09, multiply it by 100 and put the percentage sign. Then 0.09 into 100 is equals to 9 and then the percentage sign. It means 0.09 is equivalent to 9%. So in order to convert decimal to percentage, you have to multiply the given decimal by 100 and put the percentage sign. Now see method of converting percentage to fractions or decimal. So whenever we have to convert percentage to fraction or decimal, then what we do? We just divide the given percentage by 100 and remove the percentage sign. Let us see some example to understand it. For example, if we have given 20% and we have to convert 20% into fraction and decimal, then what we do? We just divide the 20% by 100 and remove the percentage sign. So here 20% can be written as 20 divided by 100 and the percentage sign will also be removed. Now let us simplify it if it can be simplified. So 25 times 100. So it is equals to 1 by 5. It means we can say 20% is equivalent to 1 by 5 in fraction form. Then what will be the decimal form of this 20%? Then again 20% can be written as 20 by 100. Here 0 and 0 cancel out. Then 2 by 10 can be written as 0.2. So this is the decimal form of 20%. Let us see one more example. Suppose we have given 12.5% and we have to convert 12.5% into fraction and decimal. Then we can write 12.5% as 12.5 divided by 100 and we have to remove the percentage sign. Now when decimal shift to the right, then what we have? 125 divided by 1000. Now let us simplify. 25 5 times 125 and 25 40 times 100. Again 5 8 times 40. So it is equals to 1 by 8. It means the fraction form of 12.5% is 1 by 8. Now what will be the decimal form? So 12.5% again can be written as 12.5 divided by 100. Now when you divide 12.5 by 100, then what we have? 0.125. So this is the decimal form of the percentage 12.5. So I hope it is clear how to convert a given percentage to fraction or decimal. We just have to divide the given percentage by 100 and also remove the percentage sign. Now let us move to exercise 8.2. The first question we have, convert the given fractional number to percents. We have the following parts, 1 by 8 and 5 by 4. So you know, when we have to convert fractional number to percent, then what we do? We just multiply the given fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign. So 1 by 8 can be written as 1 by 8 into 100 and then the percentage sign. Now let us simplify. 4 2 times 8 and 4 25 times 100 means 25 by 2%. 25 by 2 is equals to 12.5%. So this is the required answer. Now let us see the next part. Again 5 by 4 can be written as 5 by 4 into 100 and then the percentage sign. Now 4 25 times 100. So 25 into 5 125. It means 5 by 4 is equivalent to 125%. Now let us see the next question. Convert the given decimal fraction to percents. So you know, whenever we have to convert the decimal fraction to percent, then what we do? We just multiply the given decimal by 100 and put the percentage sign. So here 0.65 can be written as 0.65 into 100 and then the percentage sign. So 0.65 into 100 is equals to 65, then the percentage sign. It means 0.65 is equivalent to 65%, which is our answer. Now let us see the next part. So 0.02 can be written as 0.02 into 100 and then percentage sign. 0.02 into 100 is equals to 2 and then percentage sign. So we can say 0.02 is equivalent to 2%. This is our required answer. Okay. The next question we have, estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. So here you can see there are two figures, and in these figures we have to determine the part of the figure which is colored, and also we have to find the percentage of the colored part. So let us solve each part one by one. So here in this figure you can see that there are total 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. Total number of parts is total number of parts equals to 5, and number of colored part is 1, 2 and 3. Number of colored part is equal to 3. Hence we can say part of the colored figure is part of the figure colored is equal to number of colored part, number of colored part divided by total number of parts. Total number of parts. So number of colored part is 3 and total number of part is 5. So we can say part of the figure colored is 3 by 5. Also we have to find the percentage of the colored part. So percentage of colored part is equals to part of the figure colored into 100%. Part of figure colored into 100%. So part of figure colored is 3 by 5. So we can write 3 by 5 into 100%. So here 5 20 times and 20 into 3 60. So 60% of the part is colored. Now let us see the next part. So here in this part you can see there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we can say total number of part is equals to 8. Number of colored part is 1, 2 and 3. Number of colored part is equals to 3. Then part of the figure colored is equals to part of figure colored is equal to number of colored part, number of colored part divided by total number of part. Total number of part. So number of colored part is 3 and total number of part is 8. It means 3 by 8 of the figure is colored. Now also we have to find the percentage of the colored part. So percentage of colored part is equals to part of the figure colored into 100%. Part of the figure colored into 100%. So part of the figure colored is 3 by 8. So we can write 3 by 8 into 100%. Now 4 2 times 4 25 times. 25 into 3 75. So we have 75 by 2%, which is equals to 37.5%. So this is our required answer. Now let us see the next question. Find A 15% of 250 and B 1% of 1 hour. Now students, you know this of means multiplication. So let us see the solution. Here it is given 15% of 250, which we have to determine. So it can be written as 15%. In place of we can put multiplicative sign and then 250. Again, you know 15% means 15 by 100 into 250. Now let us simplify it. So here 5 2 times, 5 5 times. 15 into 5, 75 by 2, which is equals to 37.5. So this is our required answer. Now let us see the next part. In this part, we have to determine 1% of 1 hour. So again, 1% of 1 hour. So we can write it as 1%. In place of we put multiplicative sign and then 1 hour. Again, it can be written as 1% into, in place of 1 hour, we can write 60 minutes. Because you know, since 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay. 1% can be written as 1 by 100 into 60 minutes. Now let us simplify. So we have 6 by 10, which is equals to 2 3 times, 2 5 times. That is 3 by 5 minutes. Or we can also write 3 by 5 into 60 seconds, because you know 1 minute contains 60 seconds. So 5 12 times and 12 into 3 36 seconds. So this is the required answer, either 36 seconds or 3 by 5 minutes. The next question we have, find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600 and 12% of it is rupees 1080. So let us solve each of these one by one. So here we have given that, given 5% of whole quantity is 600. Let the whole quantity be x. Let the whole quantity be x. Then according to the question, what we can write? 5% of the whole quantity, that is 5% of x is equal to 600. 5% of x is equals to 600. Again, you know of means multiplication. So what we can write? 5% into x is equals to 600. 5% can be written as 5 by 100 into x is equals to 600. Or we can write x is equals to 600 into 100 divided by 5. Now here 5 12 times, so we have 120. 120 into 100 is equals to 12,000. It means the total quantity is 12,000. This is our required answer. Okay. Now let us see the next part. Here we have given that 12% of the whole quantity is, yeah, whole rupees is 1080. 12 given 12% of whole rupees be rupees 1080. Now let the total rupee be rupee X. Then according to question, what we can write? 12% of the whole rupees, that is 12% of X is 1080. 12% of X is equals to rupees 1080. Again, you know, of means multiplication. Then what we can write? 12% into X is equals to rupees 1080. 12% means 12 by 100 into X is equals to rupees 1080. Now from here it implies that X is equals to rupees 1080 into 100 divided by 12. Now you know 12, 9 times 100, 8, so 90 here. So it implies that X is equals to 90 into 100, that is 9,000 rupees. It means the total rupee is 9,000, of which 12% is 1080. So this is our required answer. The next question we have, convert the given percent to decimal fraction and also to fraction in simplest forms. So here we have the following parts: first 25% and second 150%. Now students, you know, whenever we have to convert percent to decimal fraction, then what we do? We just divide the given percentage by 100 and remove the percent sign. So here let us see the solution. So what we can write? 25% can be written as 25 divided by 100 and then remove the multiplication sign. So 25 by 100 is equals to 0.25. So this is the decimal equivalent of 25%. Also we have to find the fraction for 25% in simplest form. So again we can write 25% as 25 divided by 100. Now let us simplify it. 5 times 25 and 5 20 times 100. Again 5 4 times 20. So it is equals to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is the fraction in simplest form of this given percent. Now let us see the next part. Again here we have to convert 150% into decimal form and also fraction in simplest form. So 150% can be written as 150 divided by 100. Now here 0 and 0 cancel out, and 15 by 10 is equals to 1.5. So 1.5 is the decimal form of the given percentage 150. Now let us find the fraction in simplest form for 150%. So again we can write 150% as 150 divided by 100. Now let us simplify it. So here we have 15 by 10, 5 3 times 15 and 5 2 times. So it is equals to 3 by 2. So this is the simplest form of fraction of the percentage 150. So this is our required answer. The next question we have, out of the 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? So let us see the solution. So here we have given total number of voters is 15,000. Total number of voters is equals to 15,000. Also it is given in the question that 60% have voted. So percentage of voters who voted is equals to 60%. So percentage of voters who did not vote is equals to 100% minus percentage of voters who voted. So we can determine percentage of voters who did not vote is equals to percentage 100% minus percentage of voters who voted. Percentage of voters who voted. So it is equals to 100% minus 60%. So it comes out to be 40%. It means 40% of voters are those who did not vote. Now we have to find number of voters who actually did not vote. So number of voters who actually did not vote is equals to percentage of voters who did not vote into total number of voters. Percentage of voters who did not vote into total number of voters. So percentage of voters who did not vote is 40%. 40% into total number of voters is 15,000. 40% means 40 by 100 into 15,000. So here 2 zeros are cancelled out. So what we have 40 into 150. 15 4 times 60. So we have 6,000. It means there are total 6,000 number of voters who actually did not vote. So this is our required answer. So thank you, students. In the next part, we will see the next exercise from NCERT. Thank you.